Good morning, everyone. It is currently Saturday, and I thought it would be a good day to get ready together and just chit-chat. I used my Anastasia Brow Wiz to do my eyebrows. I know this is probably a bad idea, but I'm going to put my foundation on first because I just feel like my face needs some help right now. So I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the color Shortbread 200B. Honestly, I was wanting to use my coconut cream foundation again, but I've been using it so much and I feel like I need to continue to use my other foundations as well because all these other foundations are really great. I love that coconut cream foundation so much. And I was looking at Ulta yesterday, and have any of you seen the IT Cosmetics foundation that just came out? It looks amazing, and I'll have to show you guys. I'll bring up like a picture on the side to show you. I am wanting to get that so bad. I love a velvet matte foundation. I may or may not get that foundation, but I've been really interested in it. I'm pretty sure it's new, but I really want to try it. Also, don't mind the crazy hair. I did my corkscrew curls again, but they went a little bit crazy. I think Huda Beauty is one of my favorite brands. Seriously, like I love that brand so much. Huda Beauty is just so creative. I love following their Instagram because they always have like all these creative ideas and just all the makeup looks that they come up with. It's just a really great brand and their products are so good. I think this and my coconut cream foundation are tied, honestly. I love them both very much, depending on what look I'm going for. If I'm going for like a natural radiant look, I'll go for my coconut cream foundation. But if I want like a velvet matte finish that's full coverage, I'm going in with my Cloven Hollow concealer in the shade 02. I love this concealer and it's cruelty free. I only do one eye at a time because this stuff sets pretty fast. So are any of you trying out some new makeup? Let me know. I am always on the look for new makeup. Using this concealer as like a base for my eyes as well. I've had to take a break from the liquid lipsticks because they're really tearing my lips up right now. So I'm going to put on my Agave Bite Beauty lip balm. I'm going to use my Kat Von D setting powder, her translucent setting powder. I love this powder. I've been using it more than my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. Pull up my BRUNCH Date palette. To start off with, I'm just going to go in and pack this blue color on with my fingers. I don't want to get blue on any of my brushes because it's really hard to clean out. So I'm just going to use my finger and pack this stuff on. Go into my Huda Beauty Obsessions palette and take this color that I love to blend my eye looks together. I'm going to dig back into my blue shade right here and I'm just going to get a little bit more precise. This color is so much fun, you guys. I don't know if I can really pull it off, but I'm dipping back into the blue color right here, the Brunch Club shade. I just wanted to do a whole separate look on this because it's such a fun color. Really just using one color and just blending it out as much as possible. I really just wanted the focus of this look to be the blue eyeshadow. I am curious to see like how other people will get it to work and will get it like the different looks that people can come up with this eyeshadow because it's so much fun. It is really a pretty color, and it's bold. I'm going to use my Colourpop Lashes Check Volumizing Mascara. I really like this mascara, but if you don't like clumpy, thick mascara, you won't like this. I don't like using this mascara on my bottom lash line because the bristles are too thick and it just makes a mess. I'm going to use my High Impact Clinique mascara on my bottom lashes because I trust this on my bottom lashes. Alright, I'm going to use my LA Girl Gel Glide-On Liner in black. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this? I like it. It's really fun. But I feel like I need to tie everything together. I'm going to dip into my Brunch Date palette again, and I'm going to take my JH42, and I'm going to dip into Champagne Toast. And I'm going to use this as my inner corner and highlight, brow bone highlight. Alright, and then I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the same color. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here as my highlight. I used it as my highlight yesterday, and I am definitely going to do that again today so you guys can see how insane it looks on your cheekbones. So I'm going to finish and get my bronzer on. I'm going to use my Too Faced Cocoa Powder foundation. I'm going to use it as a bronzer. I have the color Deep Tan. Then I'm going to take my Zoella blush in the shade Soulmate. I've been really liking this blush and have been using it ever since I got it. It's a really pretty color and I feel like it works really well on my skin tone right now. And I just want a really natural pink flush. I feel like everybody is starting to really enjoy blush more. Like it's becoming more of a thing now. Wow, I feel like the blush just totally pulls everything together. I'm going to stick with lip gloss, you guys, because I've been wearing a lot of liquid lipsticks and my poor lips are all torn up. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb lip gloss. And I feel like with this eye look, it just is a necessity. Leave me your thoughts down below as to whether you're going to try this eyeshadow look. I feel like it's a little bit different from what I'm used to wearing on an everyday basis, and I'm going to be wearing this all day. It's not normally an eye look that I would go for, but I like it. Palettes like this, I don't feel bad using on a daily basis because it's so affordable. And I mean, it's $18, but that's more affordable than my Sephora palettes, like my Lawless Beauty palette. I love that one, but sometimes I feel like I want to save it and not use it because it's so expensive. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And oh my goodness, I didn't do my highlight. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm going to dip into Champagne Toast. And I'm going to show you what I did this yesterday and I really loved how it looked. I'm going to take my brush and dip it in here and then watch you guys. Do you see that? Yeah. I know it's meant to be an eyeshadow, but guys, it's one great highlighter. Isn't that awesome? I love it as a highlighter. That's another thing that I really like about this palette is that you can get so many uses out of it. Let me know if you guys try this eye look and if you have purchased the Brunch Date palette. Watch me as I'm still here blending away. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and this little chit chat get ready. I really enjoy getting to know you guys, honestly. And you guys are really sweet in all your comments and everything and very honest, which I love that. Let me know if you try this look because I'm curious. I want to see if it works on anybody else. I'm so curious to see if this will work. But anyway, I will see you in my next video. Bye.